Aloha! I am here. I went to the DVC stand here at Disney's Aulani Resort, and they are doing tours of the 3-bedroom Grand Villa. So here we go. Let's do this. So here we are in the first of the additional bedrooms. There's that famous Mickey surfboard lamp that they have here at all the Aulani rooms.
And then that's where we sleep people too, right? Yeah, this is like Jared's bed. 4 and 4 and 3 and 3, but 2.
Every room has its own balcony door. The balcony is all connected as one long balcony, the entire width of the floor. You have 2 queen-side beds. Here's some of the art that's in here. It is Hawaiian art, not Disney art. Here we go into one of the bathrooms. There is a shower with a seat. Very nice size shower. It does have the rainfall shower head. Nice sink. Closet here in the bathroom. Can hang things up. It's got a luggage rack. Hi.
Hi there.
Here is another bathroom. This one has a double vanity. This is the tub. Another toilet.
No, we went in the park. Yeah, but yeah, it's easy to get in there and like just sit and like cool. Very cool, yeah.
At Disneyland?
Yeah, Disneyland. You know where the
Another closet here in the hallway. Got a pack and play.
Yeah, you go upstairs.
Places to hang your stuff up. Hangers.
Yes, yes. And then at night.
Another bedroom.
7 or 6. Yeah, because at night they sell that balcony
2 beds.
for a fireworks viewing.
Another access to the balcony with that amazing view. We'll go out there in a minute. Another of those Mickey lamps with a desk. Nice size TV. You do have another closet here in the room. Another luggage rack. This is the entryway when you first walk in. There's a walk-in closet
But yeah, they do close that terrace.
with a sliding door. Some of that Hawaiian art.
Did all the other boys leave?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's the first look at some of the bar tops here, the kitchen area.
Come on, Jack, we're going to say goodbye to you.
Are they down there? Oh god. Alright, guys.
Full-size fridge, large countertops, dishwasher, oven and stove. Plenty of space to cook for your whole family. Microwave. Everything you could want to cook a meal. Then we get over here. You do have stackable washer and dryer, along with a rather large closet. This is your second entry, so this is also an entry from the hallway. You have a rather large entryway here. You could store your luggage in here or whatever. This is the master. King size bed. The chair in the corner. Another one of those Mickey lamps. TV. Nice sized dresser. And then again, another entrance to that amazing balcony, which we'll get to in a minute, saving the best for last. You do have these doors that slide open or close directly from the tub and bathroom area. And here's that tub. You could sit in the jacuzzi and watch TV. We have a large countertop sink, walk-in shower. Again with that rainfall style force. Shower head, another toilet. So 3 toilets in all. And this toilet is a bidet. Another closet. So here's the dining area.
Can I take a picture of this, or do you have this
I can
printed?
send this to you if you guys
Can
want.
you?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'd like to sit
8
down
seats.
while we're driving to
And we do have a living area. Hi. So I'm going to go all the way over here to the right and then pan around at this amazing view. So that's your view over to the right. That's the Four Seasons next door. Below is one of the many pools they have here at Aulani. That pool down there has an infinity edge that overlooks the beach. That is Aulani's beach right there. Those rocks out there in the ocean, they serve to make a natural lagoon, or I should say a man-made lagoon. You don't get much waves out there. Very nice. Little kid splash pad area down there. Just gonna pan around here. So that would be the main pool right there. You can see more of Disney's beach here at Aulani. That hut over there, that is Ama and Off the Hook. We're going to continue to walk down this patio. It goes the entire width of this building here. And then there is the main pool area. So down there in the bottom left is the Rainbow Reef. You can do fish feeding from there, snorkeling. They also have a snow cone shop, a little snack hut. That volcano there that's in the middle, that kind of serves as the area to climb up and go down the 2 slides that they have here. And then you can kind of see the other tower across the way, as well as the lazy river there down at the bottom. The entire area here at Aulani is deceptively big. We keep discovering new things every day. But anyway, just take in this breathtaking view. Oh, you're good.